I want you guys to like watch this video, and at some point I feel like this video is actually right.
Here's the side of trading no one talks about at all. So I'm currently in a position where I know how to trade. I can win majority of my trades. I'd be classed as a profitable trader if I was making a bun. I'm consistent. I'm doing everything right. I know how to trade now. Like I could eat. If someone gave me a bunch of money, I could make money on it. But I'm at the point where I'm between being able to trade and just knowing how to do it, but also having to start getting capital. So it's the annoying part where I know what I'm doing, but I'm not making money from it yet.
You listen to what he said, and I believe every trader must pass this phase. Like you just feel like I actually know what I'm doing, but I'm not making enough profit from this particular type of thing. And I feel like at this point a trader already knows his ability. Like I can make this particular amount. Like when you see like small effort and big money, shake carry owó, that is actually what I feel like you are going to like be referring to. Like if I actually have $150, I feel like I can execute this trade, but because I did not have up to $150, I won't want to execute that trade. You understand? So I don't know, maybe I'm going to call it overconfidence and ignorance stage or something, but I know I'm at this stage also because I feel like just going to the market and making $10, $20 is tiring. It's tiring. I just want to like wait, save up to like all these 4 digits capital and try it and see how much I can be making with it. And that is actually why I feel like I support what the guy is saying. And I know some people in the comment section is saying, yeah, it is because you are not disciplined, you can do it with small capital. But I was like, is it really good? Like, you guys are beginner, you are talking like a pro, but I just believe as a beginner, it is impossible. Let me be honest with you, in this trading game it is impossible. You can just like go to your account one significant amount. You can't have 100 days winning streak in this. How do you want to have 100 days winning streak? It's not possible. And we all know lives happens, realities happen. You might think like, yeah, I just want to be saving this money until God forbid your father is sick, your mother is sick, even you are sick. The money you are trading with, you have to withdraw it and do something meaningful for with the money, and you now have to like start all over again. And I want to believe all these people that have big capital actually have maybe an investor, have one big business that is actually giving them one big money to have their capital. But you that you can only afford the $100, $200, my brother, don't stress yourself. Just be making money that you want to use to eat and actually sort some bills. But the money you want to use to buy Lamborghini is not $100 or $200.